Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to create a very quick review about this powerful AI website called Krea. So make sure you watch this to the very end. So talking about Krea is your creative playground for generating AI art. It offers so many styles, customization options, making it a great choice for artists and designers looking to explore their visual ideas. And here the text. It's a fantastic tool for exploring different artistic styles, creating unique image. The customization options are impressive, and the community aspect adds a fun social element. And here the key benefit about this platform. So it helps to generate image in various artistic styles, fine-tune your result with a numerous parameters, which helps with customization, and the community share and discover artwork created by other users. And talking about the pricing list for this website, they offer a free basic pricing list, which is a free trial, the basic, the pro, and the max. So if you want to access the free trial, it is limited free generation. You can use the free version, but that's a limited free generation. So talking about the basics, you pay nothing less than $10 to $15 per month for 36 image. Then for the pro aspect, you pay $35 to $40 per month, which 180,000 image. Then for the max, which is the custom pricing plan, you pay $60 to $70 per month for about 400,000 image. And if you want more information about the pricing list, you can just get back to their website. And here's the pros and cons about this platform. So talking about the pro, they offer a huge varieties of art style is available, a deep customization option, and also active community for inspiration. And here's the downside: the free trial is very limited. So if you're hoping to use the free trial, it is very limited, so you might want to upgrade. Then after that, some styles are better executed than others. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this powerful AI website.